Hey, East Lawrence Primary Kindergarten parents. We are excited to send home our November packets for you to have activities to work with your child. In this packet for kindergarten, we have a little segment the sound game. And we've provided word lists to be used, and we've provided an Elkonin box along with some chips to use for the activity. Now, in this activity, what we want your child to do is pull apart the sounds they hear in a word. Now, we learned last month sometimes the number of sounds and the number of letters when you write a word are not the same. So you'll see some in there that may be 2 letters for like ch, C and H, that only have 1 sound. So we've given you that list. What we want you to do is put those chips, let the child take that Elkonin box, lay it down, put those chips underneath, then give them a word. For example, if I gave the word cot, have them pull apart the sounds. K, ah, t, cot. Now, let's try another one. What if I gave you the word shake? Sh, a, k, 3 sounds. Now, once your child has mastered pulling apart those 3 sounds, then on the back, there's an opportunity to do it with 4 sounds. And we've also provided a word list with that. This is a very powerful skill that will help them when they begin their reading and writing. If your child is really good with it and they can get that first, middle, and last sound easily, then you may want to have them do it. For example, the cot, and then write the letters that represent each one of those sounds. And that little one will be reading before you can snap your fingers. Now, let's get to our math activity. Our math activity focuses on greater than and less than. Also, equal to. Now, you're going to hear, and your child's going to hear those words throughout the next few years. You're just going to be doing different things. So what we want is to help our children understand greater than, less than, and what that actually means. In this activity, we've given you 20 links. We've given you the directions to the activity, and we've also given you 2 sets of number cards. So what you want to do is cut your number cards, then shuffle, turn them upside down. Let your child choose 2 number cards. Then you want to take those links. For example, if you've got number card 4, okay, you'd want your child to pick 4 links, then connect them and lay them down. If your next number was 6, you would want to do the same thing. Now, this is important. Listen, when they place them down to compare them, make sure you have the same beginning point so that they can easily see which is greater. In this one, 6 is greater than 4. Talk to them about it. How do you know? What tells you that? And then just continue letting them talk about 6 is greater than 4. 4 is less than 6. You may want to place those number cards right there to show how many those links represent. This is going to be a fun activity, and your child, you may even, after they do that really well, you could do some other games with the links as far as letting them choose 2 cards and add them up. So I think it's just going to be a fun activity for you to work with your child. Thank you again for being our partners at East Laurens Primary.